The next command is ellipse. From here, select this toolbar and drag it here. First one is ellipse. Center point of ellipse, major diameter, minor diameter. Again select ellipse command, center point, major diameter, minor diameter. You can also select major diameter in this direction or minor diameter in this direction. The next is parabola by focus. Select first point, which is the center point of the parabola, and draw a straight line point. Select this point, then start drawing parabola from this point, first point and second point. This is parabola. Next is hyperbola by focus. Center point of hyperbola, select this point, straight line, second point this line, and then select first point and then select the shape of the parabola, then select first point and second point. This is hyperbola. The next is conic. It requires two axes, first axis, second axis, then select this point. The conic cannot be created with the standard elements. For that, conic axis will be at same point position, coincidence with this point. Select this point, first axis, second axis, and then this is conic. This was the ellipse command. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe SPLINE.